If you're looking for the best dashcam in 2026, you're in the right place. A good dashcam can protect you from accidents, insurance fraud, and unexpected situations on the road. Today, I've picked the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon 2026 based on video quality, night vision, features, storage support, and value for money. So whether you're a daily commuter, Uber driver, or road trip lover, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 70mi 4K T800, Best Premium 3-Channel Dashcam. The 70mi 4K T800 is one of the most advanced dashcams available in 2026. It features a 3-channel system, recording front, rear, and cabin footage simultaneously at 4K plus 4K plus 1080p. Powered by the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, it delivers outstanding clarity day and night. You also get Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE support, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode, making this a true premium option. Pros: excellent 4K triple camera recording, outstanding night vision with HDR, supports up to 512 gigabytes memory card, smart features like ADAS and parking surveillance, Wi-Fi 6 plus optional 4G LTE. Cons: expensive compared to other models. 4G LTE requires extra subscription. If you want maximum protection and premium features, this is the best high-end dashcam on this list. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3-Channel 4K, Best Value 3-Channel Dashcam. Next up is the BOTSLAB 3-Channel 4K Dashcam, a great option if you want premium features without spending too much. This dashcam records front, rear, and inside footage in sharp 4K resolution. It comes with a 3.18-inch touchscreen, voice commands, GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfer. Pros: 3-channel recording at an affordable price, touchscreen plus voice commands, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, comes with 128 gigabytes memory card. Cons: parking mode needs hardwire kit, rear footage slightly weaker than premium models. This is the best bang for buck 3-channel dashcam for most drivers. Number 3. COOAU D30S, Best Dashcam for Uber and taxi drivers. If you're a rideshare or taxi driver, the COOAU D30S is designed just for you. It records front and cabin footage with infrared night vision, perfect for monitoring passengers at night. It uses a supercapacitor, which is safer and more heat-resistant than traditional batteries. Pros: infrared night vision for cabin recording, supercapacitor for better durability, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, reliable loop recording and G-sensor. Ideal for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers who want clear interior recording day and night. Number 4. Vantrue E2, Best Dual Camera with Balanced Quality. The Vantrue E2 is a solid dual-channel dashcam focused on image quality and reliability. It records 2.7K front and 2.7K rear footage using dual STARVIS sensors. You also get voice command, GPS, Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking mode support. Pros: sharp 2.7K front and rear recording, excellent night performance, supports up to 512 gigabytes storage, clean and compact design. Cons: no cabin camera, smaller display. Perfect for drivers who want high-quality front and rear coverage without extra cameras. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Pro, Best Budget 4K Dashcam. Last but not least, the REDTIGER F7N Pro is one of the best budget 4K dashcams in 2026. It records 4K front and 1080p rear footage using a STARVIS 2 sensor. It includes Wi-Fi, GPS, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and even comes with a 64-gigabyte card. Pros: affordable 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 sensor for night clarity, GPS and Wi-Fi built in, memory card included. Cons: rear camera not 4K, no cabin recording. A great choice if you want 4K quality at a budget price. That's it for today's video on the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon 2026. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.